Hey guys, so welcome to day 4 series of learning cloud engineering and cloud tools. So here we'll learn about the IAC infrastructure as code. So if you are still trying to build and deploy your infrastructures manually by sitting on the control of the cloud application, then you are struggling behind as per the scenario. Big tech companies and enterprises do use this infrastructure as code by managing all the cloud resources and infrastructures effectively. And if you want to build a career in the cloud engineering, then you have to understand this and implement this, because you are not going to sit on the AWS console to create thousands of EC2 instances, thousands of VPCs. So here just you can use the Terraform as an infrastructure as code, and you can write once the code in the Terraform file and you can build everything. Like if you want to create S3 buckets, if you want to create thousands of EC2 instances and VPC with subnets, security group, 100 of security groups and everything, then you have to not use every time. You have to just write one code in one file, and then you can boom, your infrastructure is ready here. So that's why you have to apply that particular one here. And if everything that services crashes, then also you have to not worry about this, because Terraform will use over here, and Terraform will apply that to rebuild the infrastructures, and that is very efficient over here. So here are some few courses I'll suggest you to start learning the Terraform by Free Code Camp, and this will help to understand the build basics of the Terraform and infrastructure as a code. And if you want to start with some structured way of learning, then this is a Udemy courses for Terraform, and the guide will also provide the hands-on lab here, so you can start building the projects. You can automate your project. You can create EC2 instances, security group, VPC, subnets, and automate the scripts over there, and then deploy your resources over there. So this course will be helpful to understand actual implementation and real world scenarios as well. And this is one of the guide by WizLab to provide you understanding the guide for Terraform Lite. So there will be multiple instances, and you can use this Terraform across any AWS, GCP, or Azure. So that is a good advantage of using Terraform. That is infrastructure as a code. So start building your career in cloud engineering by learning the Terraform infrastructure as code, and implement all these in your own project and building on instances of the cloud.